wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best ironing boards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Leifheit airboard is a compact option that's designed to be laid on top of tables and counters for convenient ironing anywhere, and it stashes away neatly in a variety of places, including under a bed or in between other furniture. It weighs just a touch over 1 pound, and its shape fits into shirt shoulders well. However, you don't get much room to work. At number 9, if you do a lot of laundry on the go, the Bartnelli foldable is lightweight and fits easily into most vehicles. It's perfect for professional housekeepers or anyone who spends a lot of time on the road while still needing to look your best. It comes with clearly marked buttons to collapse it and is suitable for large linens, but the cover is prone to tearing. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the minky ergo is extremely quiet when you set it up or break it down, so it's great if you need to freshen up your look while everyone else is asleep. It has a heat-reflective cover that speeds up the whole process, so you spend more time looking good than working on it. It's equipped with a movable cord guide and non-incremental height adjustments. However, it tends to wobble. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ironing boards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, it might cost more than anything in your wardrobe, but the reliable longboard has more bells and whistles than you'd expect in a product like this. There's an integrated laundry rack to place folded up clothing, a tube-style frame, and a tray to hold your iron. It also features a smooth work surface and a magnetic closure system, but the included extension is hard to attach. Moving up our list to number 6. The name makes it sound like the most gas-guzzling pickup on the block, and the homz durabilt DX1500 is a durable masculine option. It has a board made of steel mesh and a platinum frame that ensures it will stand up to abuse, if you're the type who abuses ironing boards. Silicone pads disperse the heat, and this one's good for taller users. However, it is heavy and hard to move around. Halfway up our list at number 5, the hafele America offers the ultimate space-saving design with a simple wall mounting system that allows it to be folded up and down easily as needed. It's made from durable steel with a white epoxy coating that will stand the test of time. It swivels in either direction and locks securely into place, but installation can be tricky. At number 4, for the most room possible, there's the Mabel Home Extra Wide. If you have to iron sheets or tablecloths, you'll appreciate all of the extra area it provides, and it has retractable wings that let you finish one side of a shirt or blouse without having to flip it. Its tray includes a cord holder, and this one's good for industrial use. It comes with a spare cover. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, those with space limitations will appreciate the Sunbeam tabletop. It's incredibly compact and collapses to be even smaller, so you won't have to devote an entire corner of your bedroom to your board. Still, it offers plenty of room to get your work done. This one's ideal for college students and comes with a machine washable cover. It's a good budget option. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ironing boards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Brabantia size B has a handy metal tray for holding your iron when not in use, and a safety mechanism keeps it from collapsing unexpectedly. It's great for families with small kids, or for anyone who runs the risk of going to the ER every time they press a shirt. It features a transport lock for easy portability, a durable foam lining, and an adjustable cover tension. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Bartnelli multi-layered works just as well on wood floors as it does on carpet, and the plastic feet won't scratch up your boards. They also do an admirable job of keeping it steady, so you don't have to worry about constant wobbling while you're working. It offers 4 height options and a rail for hanging finished shirts. It's good for pressing linens too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for ironing boards, or simply click beneath this video.